Clean Nutra Thyroid Drops is a liquid supplement that contains iodine-rich kelp, ashwagandha, bladderwrack, and other plant ingredients designed to support thyroid function. It comes in a dropper bottle and you take it daily with water or your favorite drink. The main ingredients include kelp and bladderwrack for iodine, which supports thyroid health, ashwagandha and Shai Sandra root to help with stress and hormones, L-tyrosine and ginseng for mental focus, and various minerals and vitamins for energy and metabolism. The company says this product helps with thyroid support, hormone balance, energy levels, metabolism, and mental clarity. Basically, it's meant to give your thyroid what it needs to work properly. Some users report noticeable effects after taking it for about a week, including less fatigue, better mood, reduced anxiety, and fewer cravings. Other customers mentioned feeling better energy and even losing weight after a couple of weeks. However, some reviews on third-party sites mention issues with customer service, billing problems, and claims that products didn't work out as expected. The company clearly states that this product has not been evaluated by the FDA and is not intending to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Results will vary from person to person. The company offers third-party testing for safety and purity, plus a money-back guarantee. So, how does it work? It depends on your individual needs. The ingredients are commonly used for thyroid support, and some people see results, but it's not a magic solution. Talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have thyroid issues or take medication. That's it for this review, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.